GFP Gone, Photo Restoration Tool. GFP Gone, or Generative Facial Prior Generative Adversarial Network, is a free AI tool that helps to fix old photos instantly within seconds. It restores old and faded photos surprisingly in a realistic way in seconds. It was developed by Tencent researchers by taking the information from two AI models and merging them to fill in a photo's missing details. It replaces the missing details with the most realistic details in seconds. It creates a good balance between realness and fidelity. Notion.ai, Copywriting Tool. The Notion.ai is a copywriting tool to create high-quality plagiarism-free content. It helps you assist in writing, brainstorming, editing, and summarizing the content. All you need to do is to tell the app what you want to write, such as a blog post, social media post, press release, or job description. It even helps you create poems and outlines for any subject or topic. Copy.ai, Copywriting Tool. The Copy.ai is also a free AI tool that helps your team with all kinds of copywriting needs, such as writing product descriptions, ad copies, email writing, blogs, video content, and website copies. This tool generates unique and easy-to-read content that engages your readers. Copy.ai is also ideal for writing social media captions, Facebook content, startup ideas, and many more. To use this free AI tool, sign up for an account, describe any topic of your interest, and you are good to go with the content that the tool generates. Jadbio, AutoML. Jadbio is a user-friendly machine learning platform equipped with powerful knowledge extraction tools that help students to dive into machine learning easily. Although it is built purposely for multiomics and biotech, you can still upload any sort of curated data and analyze it. The tool also helps people to build a predictive model. And the best part of this tool is it offers a lifetime free account. 1. DALL-E2, Image Creator. DALL-E2 is developed by OpenAI, which is a new AI system that creates realistic images and art, taking a description in any natural language. The tool can create original and realistic images and even the art understating the text description you give. It combines attributes, concepts, and styles to create digital images, and guess what? It's free to use. Lumen 5, Video Creator. The Lumen 5 is a free online video making platform that has various tools that allow you to make videos effortlessly. It has amazing templates and various formats to use for different social media platforms. The AI tool generates a whole video sequence by including the images using your imported transcript. Apart from it, the tool also offers an exclusive range of images and video clips to include in your final video. Lalal.ai, Audio Stem Splitter. Lalal is a free online AI tool that removes vocals, separates music, and also does precise stem extraction. With the help of this tool, you can remove drums, bass, piano, instrumental, and acoustic guitar, and synthesize the tracks without the loss of the original quality. Makes creativity painless. Deep Beat. The Deep Beat is an AI-powered rap lyrics writer that enables users to select keywords and frame them in lyrics. It also helps you give automated suggestions and even write lyrics. All you need to do is enter a line to start or give some keywords or let it write from the scratch, then click Generate. Deep Nostalgia. Deep Nostalgia is an amazing free AI tool to use in 2023 that allows you to see people in your old family photos move their heads, blink, and smile. It animates the faces in photos using deep learning. Generative Engine. The Generative Engine is an application that builds artwork from the text you provide using algorithms. As you keep writing, it keeps updating the image in real time. Although the pictures are blurred, it's worth giving a try.